Have you ever stared at a blank screen for hours trying to come up with test questions for your team or for your audience? What if I told you that you could actually generate a complete professional assessment in less time than it takes to pour a cup of coffee? Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, I would like to introduce you to what is known as ProProfs. We're talking about the quiz maker that is super easy and simple to do. You heard that correct, you guys. We're going to be able to actually generate an AI quiz quick and fast. You guys can see we got Quick Maker. That's delightfully easy. Create a quiz or assessment instantly with AI. Now, listen, all you guys have to do is go up here in the very top. Once you click the link down below, go to that login button. And you guys are going to see right here, we're going to be able to easily log in. Okay, very important. Over here to the far right, we got what is known as create a quiz. So what you're going to do is you're going to click that button. And then you guys are going to see down below, there's going to be a lot of different things that you can actually do. All right. So technically, you want to type in your specific topic or difficulty level, and let's say number of questions, or let's say you're going to be able to do this actually all into this prompt back. Okay. Now, you can also upload a document. You can generate questions based on this content. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over here. We're going to go to create a 5-question and multiple choice quiz about remote work, productivity, best practices, and time management for employees. We're going to just click right here, generate. Okay. And you guys can see how fast and easy this is. So technically, you guys, you're going to be able to watch the AI instantly build out a complete structured assessment all from scratch. And you guys saw how fast that was, right? Not only that, but also want you guys to understand, I mean, this technically right here, it completely eliminates writer's block, and it is exactly how you create online quizzes with AI, literally with just in a few moments. All right. Now, whenever it comes to the ProProfs quiz maker, I want you guys to understand that this is a cloud-based platform designed to make testing incredibly fast and simple for trainers, marketers, and educators. You heard that correct. Not only that, you guys, but we're talking about this is beyond the AI generation. It features a massive library of over 100,000 ready-to-use templates if you need immediate inspiration. You heard that correct. Okay. So I want you guys to understand, as mentioned, I mean, we created this thing literally within a few seconds. All right. So let's go ahead and actually dive down into it. Okay. Now, if we take a look down here, you guys are going to see we have what are called popular themes. Okay. Now, these are very important. All right. So technically, you guys, you have complete control, and you can customize the overall look and the feel to seamlessly match your company's branding. All right. I want to go ahead and make that clear, right? So, for example, we can click right here. Schoolhouse. We got another one, which is called Misty Morning. We got another one right here known as Elegant Edge. All right. So, technically, you can easily embed images. You can do videos or audio into individual questions as well. All right. And you can actually do this with some answer questions also. Okay. Which is actually pretty cool. So this is to make, let's say the assessment highly engaging. All right. Which is actually pretty cool. All right. So I want you guys to understand that. You guys can even see, like, you can go right here. We got image or video and just kind of go through these. And as mentioned, you guys, you're going to be able to actually, this is a single question. We've got all questions, so you guys can actually go through each question as well. So obviously, we requested 5 different questions, and that is exactly what we got. All right. So the system, it technically automatically grades the quizzes in real time. Okay. Completely eliminating manual review hours, right? Especially, I know a lot of people actually spend a lot of hours doing this. So it can even grade and suggest feedback for essay type questions. Not only that, but I want you guys to understand that technically you as an instructor can adjust the score the feedback for essay questions before actually releasing the report to the quiz takers. Okay. Now you can also embed lead capture forms at the beginning, or let's say even at the end of the quiz. So we're talking about before actually revealing the results. Okay. You can actually do this. Why? Well, to collect names and emails and send them automatically to your CRM through native integrations. Okay. So you guys saw how easy and fast this was. We even got popular settings over here, scoring. We got order of questions, right? We got results, pass or fail. You can see that right there. Letter grading. We even got good or excellent. You can even customize. And once again, we got questions. We even have over here show answers. So you guys can see that as well. You can technically edit the questions, right? There's a lot of different things that you can actually do. And you can even, if I'm correct, I'm pretty sure you're going to be able to, control the answers as well, right? So there's a lot of things, all right? So whenever it comes to ProProfs, I want you guys to understand that this leverages AI to instantly generate questions, as mentioned. It allows for deep visual customization, and it automates your grading, feedback, and reporting processes all in one centralized place. It does everything right here, you guys. Okay. So not only can you do quizzes, as mentioned, but we even have surveys. So you guys can see that up here as well, right? There's a lot of different surveys that you can actually go over here to the very far right and you can actually create, all right? Now, certificates, you can even set it up instantly to issue custom automated certificates to users as soon as they pass a certain score threshold, okay? Which is actually pretty cool. Not only that, you guys, but technically this is perfect, especially for corporate compliance. You can also set expiration dates for certificates and set reminders for recertification. All right. So very important you guys understand exactly how ProProfs works, right? So once again, we have the quiz maker, we got the survey maker, we even have over here, I don't know if you guys saw this, but we even have what is known as the training maker, a lot of different opportunities. All right. So there you guys have it. I'm going to highly recommend you guys dive down into ProProfs, Training Maker, and not only that, but Quiz Maker and Survey Maker, and tell me what you guys think. Alrighty, so there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Stop wasting hours writing test questions manually. Check out the link in the description below to start generating your own quizzes instantly and see the magic for yourself. But once again, check out that link in the description. Smash up that like button, smash up the subscribe button, and be sure to leave a comment. I will see you in the next video.